Good morning, everyone, especially to our subject teacher, Ma'am Telendo. Today, we will tackle about doing historical research online, what we will learn about the topic and why is it important. It talks about how students today mostly use internet for research since it's super easy to find info with just one click. Basically, sinasabi dito na ngayon, halos lahat ng students, Google agad ang kapag may research. Internet na talaga ang main source of info kasi sobrang convenient. Like, why you go to library? Kung pwede ka naman mag-search sa phone mo. Pero kahit madali, it also means you need to know how to use it wisely. Reminds students to use online info responsibly, copying ideas without credit cause plagiarism. So ayun, kahit madali lang maghanap ng info online, dapat marunong kang gumamit ng tama. Hindi porket nakita mo sa internet, pwede mo na i-copy-paste. Plagiarism yan and bawal talaga. You should still analyze and use proper research methods kahit online ka lang nagre-research. It says, an important skill is doing research online is knowing where and how to look for info using search engines. In short, hindi sapat na marunong ka lang mag-Google, dapat marunong ka rin mag-type ng right keywords. For example, instead of typing Philippine history, mas okay kung Philippine Agrarian Reform History in 1986. The more specific ka, mas accurate ang result mo. This part mentions Google Scholar and Google Books as scholarly tools for serious research. Dito sinasabi na may legit tools si Google like Google Scholar, pang academic article talaga yan. Hindi basta-basta blog lang. Meron ding Google Books kung gusto mo magbasa ng old or academic books online. Basically, ito yung mga safe and reliable sources para sa schoolwork mo. Talks about Wikipedia. It's useful but should be used carefully. Aminin natin lahat tayo nag-Wikipedia once in our life. Pero sabi dito, okay lang gamitin si Wiki as a starting point, hindi as your main source kasi minsan may mali o incomplete info. Instead, check mo yung sources link sa baba ng Wikipedia article. Doon ka makakahanap ng legit references. Mentions websites like Project Gutenberg and Internet Archive that legally share books and documents. Ito yung mga online libraries na free and legal gamitin. Project Gutenberg, may mga old books sa public domain na habang Internet Archive naman, parang online museum ng web, ando ng mga old websites, videos at books. Ang galing kasi pwede kang mag-research kahit wala kang library access. Talks about government websites, gov.ph, that share info useful for historical or law-related research. Dito, sinasabi na marami ng gov websites na may public records, laws at historical data. Perfecto kung topic mo ay tungkol sa Philippine policies or history. Pero syempre, kung sobrang luma na topic, minsan kailangan mo ring pumunta sa physical library.